Hello everybody, this is Rusty from Possum Bayou. I'm outside this afternoon. I'm going to do a little video. I'm going to start a little small series of, I'm going to be scenicking some T-TRAK modules that I bought last year. Today I'm going to be just kind of painting on them a little bit, showing a little bit of how these things kind of work together. So let me get on with the video and I hope you enjoy it. This unit here is what is a T-TRAK single. I got some masking tape going to get painted. But roughly you have two tracks. The holes are bead drill, and I bought this from Scott Denniston at the Mobile Train Show last year. And he makes these things with these holes preset. Basically, they line up with the little, I wouldn't call them holes, they're more like little pockets on these things. So basically, you lay your track here, you run the wire through here, but preferably use the Kato, let's say, rail joiners that have the leads already attached to them. Done a pretty good job on this thing, so you can screw the legs in here. You can use 1/4 bolts or something of that nature. A nice job done on it. Made out of some pretty good plywood here. The top looks like just general 1/4 inch pine, but this part has been a little nicer. It finishes up real nice. Come with some primed already. It's a pretty good concept. And basically, over here, I have a double. I'll probably have to put my holes in it for the wires. I bought this last year for a good price because they were some stuff that didn't quite meet what he wanted to sell just in the general public. I just happened to know him and buy these. And here's the single has one of these as well. It is where we put the Anderson power plugs. And this one is made with the same concept. Right there, that's where you bolt up what you call your skyboard or the backboard for these things. And right here, if you're doing a double and it's just going straight through, these are the Kato sets you need for a double. It takes some different ones for the single, but the concept is the same. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed. I'm going to just open this up and see if I can look where this hole is. It basically lines up with these holes depending on the type of track that it is. Now, open this track. See if I can get a little focus in. Anyway, towards the end of this thing, you see the hole, and it roughly lines up these holes here. There's a few of them down the line on this thing. See on the end. I'm looking for one in the middle, but maybe not. And right now, I got this old black. How difficult to open that one-handed, but I did. And basically, a little test spray under here. Okay, we're looking all right. Now, beforehand, I taped this off so I can paint these sides. Basically, just so cheap spray paint. See the leaves and stuff out here on my little patio back here. Real exciting watching somebody spray paint something, I know. Mainly everybody I know has these things painted just black, so I'm just matching what people in the area are doing. You can make it yellow or whatever color you want it. So that one's been done. It's not difficult to do. That's some flat paint. I'm going to show you what I done earlier. This is a single skyboard. Now the bottom part there, you're not going to see it anyway, but like I said, kind of the sky. Yeah. I may paint it. Some of it a little overspray with some white later, but it goes on the back of these where the little screws were. See, basically these things go together and you attach them from the bottom, or you can do it from the top. The key is don't over tighten them, because if you do, you'll push this in and you'll throw these tracks out of gauge and the train goes there and gets stuck or derails, stalls. So basically, if you buy these 2 packs, you'll have 2 of these smaller ones. These 124 millimeter, you'll only need 2 of those, but you'll need all 4 of 248 millimeter. Or you can just all buy a bunch of the 124 and just have more sections. Either way, this track works well, pretty well. And now, just waiting on paint to dry on this thing. I'm going to paint the top of this, but I've taped off the sides. Okay, my first is going to be this one of these camouflage colors. This one here happens to be a tan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow along kind of where the track is. It'll kind of give me a start to a road bed. That way I don't have a darker green or something shining through it. That's what I'm going to do with this. Okay, now for the green. Gonna get a little bit on the front, but that black will cover that up pretty good. I know it's exciting watching somebody spray paint this stuff, but hey, here we go. There we go. Well, that's, you can just later on start gluing the scenery stuff down on this and just have a flat field. But actually what I'm eventually going to do is put different elevations of fairly thin foam, nothing too drastic. Got to watch Leo over there. He'll be on this video later on, have green paint on him. Got to watch him. He's not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Maybe he's not even the sharpest spoon, but hey, he's all right. So the next video I do is going to be basically putting the track on it. Maybe putting the skyboard. I got one that I haven't painted yet. And we'll see. We'll just stack the foam and do some different foam. I don't think this Krylon plays well with foam, so until the next video, this is it. Well, I hope that was kind of interesting. Just something I'm doing. I figured I'd throw a little video out there. It's February and it's like 65 degrees. It's like, not bad. If it was colder like it was yesterday, I wouldn't have been out here, but really nice working outside, better light. Plus, I don't want to smell that paint all night. So, this is Rusty signing off. Until the next time I see you, I'll see you.